Hey guys, what's up? Um, if you are trading binary option, then this might be for you. This is a trading bot for IQ option, which I made, and I'm gonna make this software for free to download. So this is my script, and I'm gonna run this one. Okay, so now this is the login screen, and of course you have to log in on your IQ option account. Okay, and we'll just wait until it logs on our main screen. This one, this takes maybe a while. Yeah. So from here, you have all the parameters already. So by the way, this is a strategy that is being used on this application is RSI. So we have the overbought and oversold, and you know already if it's overbought, this one will open a sale trade, and if it's oversold, it will open a buy trade. So you have to set your take profit, and this one, do not touch this one. If you want to, you can. Uh, this one is the pair that we are trading, the euro and USD, and of course this is the initial amount. It's dollar, and the durations from 1, 2, 3, and 5 to 5 minutes only. So this is the mood. If you are using a real account, just change the real account and then save. Then click yes. This will restart the software again and initialize the parameters. So now what you're going to do is to just press the start to start the trading. See, and now it's connected. So our balance is showing here, same as our balance on our IQ options account. This one. So the profit will show here. So we have take profit of 20, and now we have 70. So we only need like 2 point something or $3. Then after it hits the take profit, it will tell you that it's already reached, the take profit is reached, and the software will pause. And then you don't need to turn this off. If you want to, you can turn it off, but you don't need. This will continue tomorrow on the next trading day. And as you can see, there's a start trading day and in trading day. I mean, start trading and in trading. So if you reach the take profit, it will pause and continue to the next day at 5 a.m. until 11 p.m. in the evening. So this is automatic, and then on Friday it will stop the trade. On the weekdays and weekend it will stop the trade and will continue on Monday. You don't need to close this one, just run it. If you have BPS, you can use it and run it using the BPS. So now it's starting. So our current RSI is 60. So it will not open trade since our overbought sale seat is 70 and oversold is 35. So if it reaches 70, it will open a trade. This is automatic. You don't need to stop this, just run it 24/7. If you want the BPS, you can. And now let's wait until it opens trade. By the way, I'm gonna give this software to everyone for free with the condition of creating an account on my link. I'm gonna show you how later. After this one's open a trade. So yes, this is also has a martingale strategy. So this is my multiplier. So this will times 2 if you get lost. If you lost on the trade, in the next trade it will times 2, and so on, so forth. So if you don't want to use the martingale, just make it this value is to 1. So the martingale is off. For me, when I use the martingale with the initial amount of $1, I already use this software. I mean, back testing. I'm testing it for 2 months and I got positive result. I already ran it also on my real account and I profited in this software non-stop. I run it on my VPS account now. If you want to use this one, uh, feel free to download or go to my Telegram channels to get this software, and the instructions also there. I have my website. You can go to my Telegram and gonna give you the link, downloads, and the link from my website. Right now, we will just wait to this software to open a trade. Will it's gonna be buy or a sell trade. By the way, this is duration of 1 minute. So if it's open trade, it will expire 1 minute. So that takes too long. But we will just wait until it opens a new trade. It will show up here. Oh, it's almost there. Yeah, it takes too long. The best setup for this one is the duration is 5 minutes. Yeah, I tested this on my account. 5 minutes duration is the best for me. So this is the code. This is the coding that I try. See. Don't worry, there's no virus. There's no whatsoever on the screen. Yeah, I just want to share this to everyone. Be patiently waiting until it opens trade. Yeah, now it's opening trade, buy trade, because it is lower than our oversold settings. So let's wait for the result. So, and you will see here the amount and the current price opening. So 30 seconds left. Yeah, and then this one you can see here you call for a buy trade and the result. So wait until yeah, you win. So sweet, it's a win. And then okay, it's opening trade because it is below our result again. And it's a call, it's a buy. And then this is the last result win. So it's opening another trade again this here for 1 minute. And let's see how it goes, how the trade goes. So amount is one. Let's see. The base settings is 5 minutes. This one is 1 minute. Okay, profit. It's a win. It's a win again. And yeah, it did not open a trade again because it is above our oversold. And then if it reaches overbought to 70, it will open a sell trade. So if you want this software, you can check the info below, and you can go to my Telegram to get this software and just pay me. Thank you.